Hello guys, welcome to FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. Today we are going to see jobs published on September 7, 2023. So today we are going to discuss nearly 20 jobs. So all the jobs companies have provided their emails and phone numbers. Please contact with them if you are looking for any job change. If you like this session, please click on like button and also subscribe to our channel. So our first company is Clinkone. So they are hiring hospice coders and home health medical coders. They have provided email. So you can send your CV to provided email. And also AccuCode is looking for medical coders. So job location is Chennai. They have also provided the email address so that you can send your CV to them. And also we have GMM Building Solutions. So they are looking for AR caller. So it is basically walk-in. So 5 to 8 September, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So they have provided email address as well as the phone numbers and company address. So directly you can go to the provided address. Next one is Cotiviti for HCC coding. It is also walk-in drive 11 to 15 September. So it is for Coimbatore location. So they have provided their email here and they have provided phone number also and venue also so that you can plan from 11 to 15 September in order to attend CodeVT SCC coding interview. And next one is Cherokee Health. They are hiring E&M quality analyst and HCC quality analyst. So they have provided their email ID so that you can send your CV to provided email ID. And also here we have one job from Dubai. So they are looking for IP approvals officer. So they have provided their email ID here. So we can send your CV to provided email ID. So next job is for certified IP DRG coders. This is for Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Noida. So here also they have provided their mobile number so we can contact with them regarding this job. And also AGS Health is hiring for team leader AR position. So this is the job location is Jaipur. So they have provided their email ID as well as the mobile number. You can send your CV to provided details. And also we have ED coders and INM OP coders position. Location is Coimbatore and Bangalore. So they have also provided the mobile number. You can contact them using the mobile number here. And we have Essentiaries looking for medical summarization and it is like permanent work from home. So for that they are looking for medical graduates only. So they have provided mobile number and email ID. You can send your email ID to provided details. And Clinkman already we have seen in the prior. So they are looking for home health coders, it's a permanent work from home job. So and also they have provided their email ID here. So you can send your CV to provided email ID. And next one is Iranian Hospital Dubai. They are looking for medical coder and candidates who are currently in UAE only will be considered. So you need to be in Dubai in order to send your CV to these people. And we have one more vacancy here. So HCC coders for Chennai location, they have provided their mobile number here. You can contact them if you are looking for any job change here. And we have one more job here, hiring for certified medical coder, CPC certified medical coder. So location is Noida. So we can send your CV to provided mobile number. Next one is Karo Health is looking for senior executive AR calling. So these are the details they have provided their mobile number and email ID. You can send your details to provided detail email ID. So next one is part offer. So we have this is for HR Logic. So they have provided they are looking for ED coders, Profi and facility. They have provided their mobile number. You can apply using this mobile number. So and also we have one more job from Apt Future. They are looking for AR follow-up and chat posting. So they have provided their mobile number here and as well as the email, you can send your CV to them, and this location is Mumbai Andheri East. And next one is Kalpian. They are looking for AR senior AR callers, and they have provided email ID here, so you can send your CV to them. So happy coding, guys. Thanks for watching this session. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fastcoder 21 YouTube channel.